What if a single overlooked detail in FinCEN's Beneficial Ownership Rule cost your institution millions? This isn't a scare tactic. It's a reality. Mistakes in compliance are costly. That's why understanding this rule is so crucial. FinCEN, the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, is the United States Treasury Bureau that fights financial crime. Their beneficial ownership rule exists to shine light on shell companies and hidden money flows. And as a retail bankers, we are the first line of defense in enforcing it. The rule requires businesses to disclose two groups of people: beneficial owners, those with 25% or more ownership, and control persons like senior managers. The goal is transparency, preventing criminals from hiding behind business entities. Corporations, LLCs, and foreign entities operating in the United States must comply. Failure to comply isn't a slap on the wrist. Penalties can be $500 per day, and in extreme cases, even criminal charges. This rule impacts your daily workflow. Every account opening, every record update requires verifying IDs, collecting correct forms, and documenting ownership. Done right, this keeps your institution safe from fines and reputational damage. Key dates to remember. The rulebook took effect January 1st, 2024. Existing companies must comply by January 1st, 2025. New companies must comply within 30 days of the formation. Your institution's process must already be aligned with these timelines. To simplify compliance, know the forms, train your team to spot issues, document everything for regulators, and use technology to streamline reporting. Consistency is the key to avoiding errors. Compliance is protection. Protect your career, protect your institution, and your members by applying this knowledge. Share what you've learned today with your peers and lead by example. Thank you for participating in today's training on FinCEN Beneficial Ownership Rule. Remember, compliance isn't optional, it's protection. Stay sharp, stay compliant, and as always, Jay get it.